Sabine, oh, wohin gehst du? Wohin gehst du? Sabine, oh, was tust du nur? Was tust du nur?
Sabine, Frau Hossenfelder. Why? So I don't check your videos for one day, and my God, we are back to Irrsinn, Nonsense, ohne Sinn und Verstand. No, Sabine, what? Really? Eric Schmidt instigated you. I don't believe you, but I believe him even less. I mean, he has not been Google's CEO since 2011, and they don't want him back. Die Umtauschfrist ist leider abgelaufen. He says a lot of things. 1 minute he goes on about World War III caused by some Terminator AI. Next minute he sets up a company for AI-powered biotech. Sabine, you said, many researchers in the field expect an intelligence explosion once these systems learn to improve themselves. Okay, I expect it to be warm when the weather is good. So, is recursive learning, if we can agree on a definition, causing intelligence explosion, or is that inseparable? I let you noodle on this. You mentioned Google Alpha Evolve. I know they also make bold statements. Maybe they learned that from Herr Schmidt. But Sabine, Google, they are also a company. When they say how amazing they are, it's no different when Edeka says, Superknulle Bananen für €1 das Kilo. Do they have smarter bananas than Aldi? Alpha Evolves is not recursively improving itself. It uses recursive tools, but it does not mean the system is recursively intelligent. Recursive intelligence requires meta-modeling of process, evaluation of discarded alternatives, and the ability to revise one's own criteria. Alpha Evolve has none of these. Imagine a class of students, each writing only one page of a book. Everyone knows only their own page, but the book gets written. This is what Alpha Evolve does. It outputs structure. It accumulates artifacts, but no agent within it grasps the totality. No author knows other pages. No iteration holds a model of the full object being constructed. Evolutionary AI does not discover solutions, it stumbles upon them, and if the rollouts are exhausted one step before, it dies blind. And this works because we are dealing with a software problem that is highly structured, unambiguous, and cost-free failure. It reorders within no knowledge. You can try millions, no problem. But in the real world, one error could be the last error one ever makes. Point is, that is algorithmic in nature, and not recursive intelligence at all. Fine, let's blame Herr Schmidt for that. You mentioned Tuva Labs. I have no idea who they are, but they are very confused. Reinforced learning doesn't work. It's a widespread misconception. Anyway, the reason Tuva Labs produces some useful results is not because the AI is intelligent, but because of self-deception. They picked a problem where integration is solvable. You can numerically verify outputs. Problem structure is hierarchical and decomposable. Errors are right or wrong, not ambiguous. This makes the recursion tractable, not because the model is smart, but because the problem is forgiving. Then you say some AI can edit its own Python code. The LLM is not Python code, it is a parameterized function, weights, executing on a runtime, often Python. But it is not modifiable in the way code is. It cannot edit itself like a script or program. Most languages, like Python, separate running code from source code. Editing source has no effect on the executing process. You can't rewrite yourself and stay active. Its structure, transformer, is hard-coded in training scripts, not modifiable in runtime. Its weights are static during inference. Whatever these guys think is happening, it's not possible to be any evidence of recursive learning. None of your three sources are. Aren't you glad, Sabine, we talked? Thank me for watching out for you. See you tomorrow. One last thing. Most uses of recursive learning imply a system that not only learns, but learns how to learn, or one that revises its learning mechanisms. A neural net that changes its loss function autonomously, or rewrites its own gradient descent rules, and retains memory of why it did so. Such systems are not in production today, What's called recursive learning is often just fine-tuning in loops. Fine-tuning learns from correlation in text, not from intentional weight updates. That only adds noise.